Staying healthy at home is easy. Here's the right way to do an overhead press with tips from our physios. These exercises can help you improve the strength through your shoulders. They also help your upper back muscles. Sit on an upright chair holding a dumbbell or a water bottle in each hand at shoulder height. Make sure your palms are facing away from you. Keep your chest up and look straight ahead throughout the move. Lift the weights upwards until your arms are straight and the weights touch above your head. For best effect, aim for 3 sets of 10. The easiest way to do this exercise is by sitting down. But if you want to make it harder, hold your dumbbells or water bottles by your shoulders. Instead of pushing them straight up, slowly lower them into a quarter squat position. From there, push up using your heels and press the weights above your head. Then slowly lower the dumbbells back to your shoulders and repeat. Make sure you don't drop too low with your squat, just enough to allow you to power up and get the momentum to push the weights above your head. Stay healthy and take care.